Hi guys, I am back with another video. I'm here today to share something with you. A lot of women don't know a lot of things about hygiene and about pH balance and taking care of your goodies. So I'm here to talk about that today. For one, you see the title is saying don't take baths why women shouldn't take baths. One of the reasons women shouldn't take baths is because a lot of people just go in there, I'm gonna run me a bath, I'm getting in the bathtub, and I'm gonna use soap, and I'm gonna this, and I'm gonna that, and I'm gonna other. That's something you shouldn't do. You shouldn't get directly in the bathtub. I'm gonna give you some ways that if you do want to get in the bathtub to make it to where you don't get infections and you don't, have problems. One is some people have a shower and a bathtub that is made together. Okay, that's fine. So you kind of shower off your body, like rinsing your body off, kind of wiping your body down, all over, because you have sweat on your body. And when you get in this bathtub, now all this sweat that's on your body is going to be floating in this water with your goodies. And then what you think is going to happen? It's going to swish in and swish out and can cause an infection, cause problems, whatever the case may be. So by you rinsing all of the sweat off and the bottom area, you kind of want to get that kind of cleaned out and stuff like that before you actually sit down in this tub and your goodies are in this tub with your bottom as well as your feet. Your feet have a lot of sweat. Your feet, some people's feet like really stinks. And think about that. You want to soak in a bathtub with stuff that's coming off your feet, or you want to soak in a bathtub stuff that's coming off your buttocks, your backside or whatever. No, you don't want to do that. So you want to kind of shower off. You want to kind of rinse off. But I know some people like, when I get in the bathtub, I just want to get in the bathtub. I don't have time for that rinsing off or washing off ahead of time. That's fine too. But one thing you need to make sure your bathtub is very clean. Clean your bathtub before you get in your bathtub. Some people get in behind somebody else and just sit their butt right in there, and somebody's feet don't be in there. They don't rinse all their stuff and just left it in the bottom of the tub. Wash your bathtub out, okay? Please don't wash your bathtub out. Like, even if you feel like, oh, I was the last one in there, right? If you didn't wash it out after you got out, you need to wash it. Even if you did wash it out the day before, you still need to wash it out because, like, it's, particles and dust and all kind of stuff that gets in the bathtub is just going to happen. So you want to make sure at all times you're washing your bathtub out before you get in. So, like I said, if you want to hairpin get in there, you don't want to rinse off. What you do is, if you watch my other video, I talked about, not washing with soap. You want to get in there with baking soda. You want to put a little baking soda in the water, and you want to put a little Epsom salt. Or you can put either or you can put both. I would preferably say put the baking soda in there no matter what. You want to put the baking soda in there because what does baking soda do? It kills bacteria, it kills smells, and does all of that. So the fact you're putting this baking soda in here, letting the baking soda sit in the bathtub, and you're getting in the bathtub, it kind of cleanses your buttocks and your feet, all the germs and stuff that's coming from there, and all the sweat and germs that's coming off of your body. So that kind of helps with that if you want to just jump straight into the bathtub. That helps with all of that. Of course, that swishing in, the water swishing in and out, of your goodies. And, the baking soda kind of keeps that from giving you a bacteria infection and all of that stuff. So you want to do that. And something I say all the time to people is, when you get in the bathtub, like some people sit down in the bathtub, they get up and they wash. They sit back down in the bathtub and they get out and they think they're clean. Not so much. I know the baking soda is going to help and everything, but still, you want to kind of rinse off in a shower. Or if you sit down in the bathtub, let the water out. And then run some more water and kind of get back down in there and soak some more. But even after you do that, if I take a bath, I always wash in the shower. See, what makes it a little bit harder for me is because I have a shower and then I have a bathtub. Mine is not connected. If you have a bathtub and a shower together, that's a little bit easier, which I kind of think I want to change my bathroom to that way. But anyway, so if you have a bathtub and a shower together, it's easier because all you have to do is let the water out, rinse your bathtub out, wash your bathtub out, and then stand up and wash your body and rinse off in the shower. If you have two separate, of course, you get out the bathtub, let it out, wash your bathtub out. Or you can wash the bathtub out after you finish with your shower. But anyway, you get out the bathtub, you get in the shower, and you wash. you washed in. Just don't, I don't know. I guess some people feel like, oh, it's easier, but you have to think about it. Like, the older you get, the worse off your pH balance is going to be anyway. And the fact that you're putting your stinky feet and your stinky buttock in the same bathtub as your goodies is not necessarily a good idea. That's why most time people don't like to take baths anyway, which is fine. Because a lot of times I'll take a bath because I really just want to soak and my muscles are hurting, or I just want to soak my body. Sometimes it's good to do that too. And then I take a shower after and I wash in there. And that's the best way to do it. So if you don't like taking baths, hey, that's good too. You know, you take a shower, but you need to make sure you getting the water in all the areas that you need to get the water in. Hence, if you get what I mean, your goodies, you want to make sure that's rinsed out. And go watch my video on why you should not wash with soap. And you'll see exactly what you should wash with. I'll leave the link below. And guys, give me a thumbs up on this video. Subscribe to my channel if you hadn't already. Subscribe to my other channel if you hadn't already. Make sure you go check out my Amazon shop, and make sure you check me out on social media. And if you would like to hear about, you know, any other suggestions about washing or this or that and the other, make sure you leave that comment below. Oh yeah, and one last thing, if you want to know how to keep yourself clean and, you know, at all times, because we're running around, sometimes during the summer it's worse than during the winter time, and sometimes you just want to keep yourself clean. You should keep yourself cleansed all day long, throughout the day. So leave those comments below if you would like to know how to keep yourself cleansed and clean throughout today. Some methods and some tips that I can give you guys that will really help. Us as females, it's a little bit harder because we have an innie, they have an outie. So, you know, females have an innie, guys have an outie, so it's a little bit easier for them to keep themselves clean. A lot of them don't do it. But anyway, it's a little bit easier for them. So leave those comments below if you'd like to know how to keep yourself cleansed up, and, you know, all little extra tips and tricks you should do all during the day as far as cleaning your body. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Be blessed. See you in the next one.